Very warm welcome on the platform of INSYS Academy. We are discussing rapid fire series of 25,000 plus questions which has been asked in UPPSC examinations. Already we have covered ancient Indian history in part 1 video and medieval Indian history in part 2 video. In this part 3 we are going to discuss the modern history of India and national movement. Let's start the video, and the first chapter is Decline of Mughal Empire and Advent of European Company. The following visitors to India did not belong to Portuguese country, that is Peter Mundi. First historian who propounded the theory of Jagirdari crisis responsible for the decline of Mughal Empire was Satish Chandra. The well-known Urdu poet Mirza Ghalib was the original resident of Agra. In the Battle of Vandivas that held in 1760, British defeated French. Following factories in Bengal, the one established by Portuguese was Hooghly. The ruler who welcomed Vasco da Gama in Calicut was Jamorin. Which European community were the first to establish trade relations with India? That is Dutch. The actual founder of Portuguese power in India was Albuquerque. The following places the Dutch established their trading centers in India: Nagapattinam, Chinsura, Muslipatinam, Surat, Bhadauj, Agra, Cochin, Ahmedabad and Patna. The following European trading companies was the first to establish its factory at Surat was the British. The ruler of England at the time of the formation of East India Company was Elizabeth I. The following rulers had provided Diwani to East India Company: Shah Alam II. The French failed to establish power in Deccan because the British had a strong army. In whose reign did French East India Company was constituted? That is Louis XIV. The following is considered the founder of French Company in India, that is Colbert. The Carnatic War was fought in between British and French. The Emperor of India when British East India Company was formed in London was Akbar. The following British companies got first charter permitting them to trade in India was 11th Company. The following was the reason for which the French could not succeed in India in 18th century. Their trading company was heavily dependent on the French government. First tea company in Assam established in 1893. Next chapter is Emergence of Autonomous States Awadh, Mysore, Punjab and Bengal. A modern armory in Dindigul, Mysore in 1755 was established by Hyder Ali, who emerged victorious in the First Anglo-Mysore War that is held in 1767 to 1769. Hyder Ali. Tipu Sultan was killed when he was fighting in the Battle of Fourth Anglo-Mysore War. The capital of Tipu Sultan was Srirangam, that is also known as Srirangpatnam. Tipu Sultan defeated the British army in 1780 at Polilur. The following British historians has denied the idea that Tipu Sultan was a fundamentalist. P. Robert. The following Governor-Generals of Bengal was associated with Third Anglo-Mysore War, that is Lord Cornwallis. Raja Ranjit Singh set up the Adalat-e-Ala at Lahore. The capital of Kingdom of Maharaja Ranjit Singh was Lahore. Misal did Ranjit Singh belong to Sukarchakia Misal? The following had said, God intended me to look upon all religions with one eye, that is why he took away the light from the other. That is Maharaja Ranjit Singh. The kingdom of Ranjit Singh include Srinagar. The last ruler of Sikh Empire was Dalip Singh. The finance minister of Ranjit Singh was Dinanath. Which Dogra among the following was supporter of Ranjit Singh's son Sher Singh? Gulab Singh. The following was not a member of Board of Three to administer the state of Punjab after its annexation, that is H.M. Eliot. Move on to the next chapter, that is Anglo-Maratha struggle. Who put up stiffest resistance against British in India? That is Maratha. The following was the result of First Anglo-Maratha War of 1775 to 1782. There was no victory for either side. Third Anglo-Maratha War is associated with Lord Hastings. Now move on to the next chapter, that is East India Company and Nawab of Bengal. Sirajud-Dowlah was defeated by Lord Clive in the Battle of Plassey. The commander of the army of the East India Company in Battle of Buxar was Munro. The most significant battle in the establishment of British supremacy in India was that of Battle of Buxar. The most decisive battle fought by British East India Company was Battle of Buxar. The following is considered to be the most significant battle in establishment of British supremacy in India, that is Buxar. During the tenure of which Governor-General the East India Company was granted Diwani of Bengal, Bihar, Odisha and Sahansai Shah Alam. By Sahansai Shah Alam, that is Lord Clive. The following emperor provided Diwani to East India Company: Shah Alam II. The Nawab of Bengal, when the incident of Black Hole took place, was Sirajud-Dowlah. The following shifted his capital from Murshidabad to Munger: Mir Qasim. The founder of Calcutta was Job Charnock. British colonialism in India saw the emergence of new cities. Calcutta, now Kolkata, was one of the first cities. Which of the following villages were amalgamated to form the city of Calcutta? That is Sutanuti, Kalikata and Govindapur. The East India Company, that the company is an anomaly, but it is part of system where everything is an anomaly, was remarked by T.B. Macaulay. Now move on to the next chapter, that is policies of company towards indigenous kingdom. The name of the adopted son of Peshwa Bajirao was Nana Sahab. Maharaja Dalip Singh signed the papers related to merger of Punjab with the British Empire in 29th March 1849. 29th March 1849. Sikkim in India merged by Lord Dalhousie. First victim of Lord Dalhousie's policy of doctrine of lapse was Satara. In order to establish British dominance on Indian states, who initiated the system of subsidiary alliance in the administration? That is Lord Wellesley. Subsidiary alliance was implemented during reign of Lord Wellesley. The following formulated and implemented the doctrine of lapse. Dalhousie. Awadh was amalgamated into British Dominion in the year 1856. The East India Company had descended Nawab Wajid Ali, the Nawab of Awadh, from the throne in 1856. Awadh was annexed during Dalhousie's period into British Empire on ground alleged misgovernance. The British resident in Awadh at the time of its annexation into British Dominion was James Outram. Move on to the next chapter, that is revenue and judicial reforms in British period. The following acts of British India strengthened the Viceroy's authority over his executive council by substituting portfolio or departmental system for corporate functioning. That is Indian Council Act of 1861. First Irrigation Commission in India was formed in year 1901. In the context of revenue administration of British in India, who of the following is well known for his association with Raiyatwadi settlement and its implementation? That is Thomas Munro. In British system, Raiyatwadi land revenue collection was prevalent in South India. Raiyatwadi settlement was introduced by British in Madras and Bombay presidencies. Under whose tenure was the permanent settlement introduced? Lord Cornwallis. Istimarari settlement was implemented by Lord Cornwallis, who is credited with the introduction of permanent settlement in Bengal and Bihar. Lord Cornwallis. The judicial organization in India established by Lord Cornwallis. Among the following viceroys of India in whose time Indian Penal Code, Civil Procedure Code, Criminal Code were passed? Lord Canning. The Criminal Tribes Act enacted for first time in 1871. Move on to the next chapter, that is economic impact of British government on India. Who did complain that 1/3 of Bengal has been transformed into a jungle inhabited only by wild beasts due to negative effect of land revenue? That is Warren Hastings. First railway line in India was constructed between Bombay to Thane. The author of Poverty and Un-British Rule in India is Dadabhai Naoroji. The theory of economic drain of India during the British rule was first expounded by Dadabhai Naoroji. Indian Famine Code 1883 was prepared by Strachey Commission. The most important things to export from Bengal in the first half of the 18th century, that is saltpeter, raw silk, sugar and opium. Prior to 1813, which among the following measures was not adopted by the British to exploit the Indians economically, that is free trade policy. How many working hours per day had been fixed for adult male laborers by the Indian Factory Act 1911 AD? That is 12 hours. Move on to the next chapter, that is freedom struggle of 1857. The leader of rebellion in Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh during 1857 was Khan Bahadur Khan. Queen Victoria's manifesto was read out in Allahabad on 1st November 1858 by Lord Canning. Queen's Proclamation of 1858 was read by Lord Canning in a special darbar at Allahabad. The Governor General of India during Sepoy Mutiny was Lord Canning. The British Prime Minister during the revolt 1857 was Palmerston. Allahabad, the emergency headquarters in 1857 was made by Lord Canning. Mangal Pandey first get to know from a soldier that the cartridge used in the infield rifle is smooth with fat of cow and pig in Barakpur. Mangal Pandey is associated with Barakpur. At the time of 1857 revolt, who was the British commanding officer in Barakpur? That is Hersey. The commander-in-chief of Nana Sahab was Tatya Tope. The real name of which one of the following leaders of 1857 was Ramchandra Pandurang, that is Tatya Tope. The leader of 1857 struggle for freedom in Lucknow was Hazrat Mahal. The following name is not associated with the revolt of 1857. Colonel Saint Leger, Lieutenant Colonel Gibbs, and Colonel Wallace. The leader of revolt of 1857 in Bareilly was Khan Bahadur. The first war of independence 1857 started from Meerut. The leader of 1857 uprising at Allahabad was Maulvi Liaquat Ali. The birthplace of Maharani Lakshmi Bai, the heroine of the 1857 freedom struggle, is Varanasi. Uprising of 1857 as the first war of independence was termed by B.D. Savarkar. The author of Indian War of Independence 1857 was V.D. Savarkar. The first freedom struggle of 1857 failed because there was lack of unity of purpose in Indian sepoys. Generally, native kings supported the British. British soldiers were better equipped and organized rather than Indians. Indians were assured of many things. In the declaration by Queen Victoria in 1858, which among the following assurance was fulfilled by the British government, that is, the policy of annexation will be abandoned. The right to adopt heir in place of own son was restored by Declaration of Queen in 1858. The ratio of British and Indian army in country before the revolt of 1857 was 1:5. The following was not a reason for the outrage in the Indian soldiers before the revolt of 1857. Appointment of non-Brahmin cooks in the army. Who wrote, "It is difficult to avoid the conclusion that the so-called First National War of Independence of 1857 is neither first nor national nor a war of independence," is said by R.C. Majumdar. The statement, "The so-called First National War of Independence was neither first nor national nor a war of independence," is associated with R.C. Majumdar. The following was not related with the revolt of 1857. Udham Singh. The following centers of uprising of 1857 was recaptured by the British. Delhi. The first event relating to War of Independence of 1857 was marching of sepoys to Delhi's Red Fort. The following was bestowed with the title of Shahe Alam Bahadur by Bahadur Shah during the uprising of 1857, that is Bakht Khan. The following was the leader of revolution of 1857 in Assam, that is Diwan Maniram Dutt. The largest number of soldiers participated in struggle of 1857 came from Awadh. The first Indian to write in Indian language on the causes of uprising of 1857 was Syed Ahmad Khan. Move on to the next chapter, that is tribal revolt. The leader of Munda revolt was Birsa. With reference to the history of India, Ulgulan or the Great Tumult is the description of which of the following event? Birsa Munda's revolt of 1899 to 1900. With reference to Santhal rebellion, what does Damine Go means? Land near Rajmahal Hills. Mopla revolt of 1921 took place in Malabar. Mopla peasant uprising occurred in Malabar. With reference to revolts in British India, people known as Kallar belong to which region? Madurai. The following provided fame to Sannyasi rebellion by his work Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. The following uprising occurred in Maharashtra, that is Bhil uprising. Jia Trang movement started in Manipur. The leader of Faraji rebellion was Dadu Mian. Now move on to the next chapter, that is peasant and citizen revolt and formation of Kisan Sabha. Velu Thampi led a rebellion against the British in Kerala. Kuka movement was founded in Punjab. The center of Gadkari rebellion at Kolhapur. Pagalpanthi rebellion was indeed a rebellion of Garos. Tarkeswar movement of 1924 in Bengal was against corruption in temples. Deoband movement in UP, United Provinces, started in year 1866 AD. Tebhaga movement 1946 was associated with farmers. The leader of Krisak Praja Party in Bengal is Fazl ul Haq. Baba Ramchand organized the farmers at Awadh. All India Kisan Sabha was founded in Lucknow in 1936. The following Congress leaders had participated in the first meeting of All India Kisan Sabha. Jawaharlal Nehru. The place where the first meeting of All India Kisan Sabha was held, that is Lucknow. Founder, President of All India Kisan Sabha was Swami Sahajanand Saraswati. The following satyagrahas was not led by Mahatma Gandhi, that is Bardoli. The following movement Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel played an important role, Bardoli Satyagraha. Move on to the next chapter, that is social and religious reform movements. The following organizations was responsible for throwing a bomb at Viceroy Lord Hardinge in Delhi. Anushilhan Samiti. Jyotiba Phule was associated with anti-caste movement. In 1809, Rajaram Mohan Roy wrote his famous book Gift to Monotheist, in which of the following language? Persian language. The followers of Theosophical Society have faith in which Indian philosophy? That is Sankhya philosophy. Muhammad Qasim Nanotavi's name is linked with Deoband movement. Dharma Sabha in 1830 was founded by Radhakant Dev. I have no time to think about God because a lot of work has to be done on this earth, whose statement is above. Swami Ishwar Chandra Vidya Sagar. Brahmo Samaj was founded by Raja Ram Mohan Roy. In which year the Native Marriage Act was passed? 1872. The founder of Asiatic Society of Bengal was Sir William Jones. The date January 15, 1784 is important in modern Indian history because Asiatic Society was founded. Asiatic Society of Bengal was founded by William Jones. The founder of Satyasodhak Samaj, having its primary emphasis on the seeking of truth, was Jyotiba Phule. In 1873, who founded Satyasodhak Samaj? Jyotiba Phule. Mahatma Jyotiba Phule founded Satyasodhak Samaj in 1873. Satyasodhak movement was launched by Jyotiba Phule. Bharatiya Brahmo Samaj was founded by Keshav Chandra Sen. The following organization supported Shuddhi movement was Arya Samaj. The following is responsible for revival of Vedas: Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Arya Samaj was founded in year 1875. Satyarth Prakash was written by Swami Dayanand Saraswati. The founder of Arya Samaj was Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Widow Remarriage Act was enacted during the rule of Lord Canning. The following prominently fought for and got widow remarriage legalized: Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Sati system was abolished by Lord William Bentinck, who gave Ram Mohan Roy the title of Raja. Akbar II. The Brahmo Samaj is based on the principle of monotheism. The following great man is called the father of Indian Renaissance, that is Rajaram Mohan Roy. The following were not protested by Rajaram Mohan Roy, that is Western education. Brahmo Samaj in India was founded by Rajaram Mohan Roy. Who is considered as the prophet of nationalism? Rajaram Mohan Roy. The first society founded by Rajaram Mohan Roy was Atmiya Sabha. The leading envoy of Renaissance movement in India was Ram Mohan Roy. Who led the Orthodox in Bengal against Raja Ram Mohan Roy in anti-Sati movement? Radhakant Dev. The following social reformers strongly opposed Jury Act of 1826. Rajaram Mohan Roy. The following was started against the religious social views of Ram Mohan Roy: Samachar Chandrika. Federation of Depressed Class was founded by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The chief director of Pratna Samaj in Maharashtra was M.G. Ranade. Civil Marriage Act of 1872 had sought to curb the practice of child marriage by replacing minimum age of girl at 14 years. The following had played an important role in passing Native Marriage Act of 1872. Keshav Chandra Sen. The main character of Wahhabi movement of 19th century was main center of the Wahhabi movement of 19th century was Patna. The minimum marriageable age fixed under Sarda Act for girls and boys was 14 and 18 respectively. Sarda Act is related to prevention of child marriage. Founder of Ram Krishna Mission was Swami Vivekanand. The following represented India at the World Parliament of Religions at Chicago in 1893. Swami Vivekanand. India Act 5 of 1843 make illegal slavery? Which Governor General had abolished slavery in India? Lord Ellenborough. Founder of Servants of India Society, G.K. Gokhale. Name of D.K. Karve of Western India figures in the contest of women education. Founder of Radha Swami Satsang was Shiv Dayal Sahab. Dayal Bagh, located in Agra, is related with Radha Swami sect. Who led the widow remarriage movement in Maharashtra? Vishnu Parasuram Pandit. Bengali who opposed social religious reforms and supported orthodoxy was Radhakant Dev, who was known by the name of Lokhitwadi Gopal Hari Deshmukh, who said that if God were to tolerate untouchability, I would not recognize him as God at all. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Young Bengal movement in India was started by Henry Louis Vivian Derougio. Henry Louis Vivian Derougio. Now move on to the next chapter, that is development of education and press in modern India. In 1817, the famous Hindu college was established by David Hare in Calcutta, the first to bring the printing press in India, Portuguese. First printing press in India was established at Goa. Calcutta University Commission, appointed in 1917, was also known as Sadler Commission. Banaras Sanskrit College was established by Jonathan Duncan. During the end of 18th century, who had first mooted the idea of setting up a network of schools for teaching British in India, that is Charles Grant. In the Hunter Commission report, special emphasis was laid on the development of primary education, in whose reign was English education introduced in India, Lord William Cavendish Bentinck. The propounder of filtration theory in India's education policy was Macaulay. Lord Macaulay was related to British education, who advocated British as the medium of education, that is Lord Macaulay, under whose governor generalship was the Vernacular Act repealed, that is Lord Ripon. The following had vigorously advocated for religious education in the Indian universities, that is Madan Mohan Malviya. Sadler Commission was related with education. By whose constant efforts the first women's university in Mumbai in 1916 was founded, that is D.K. Karve. The establishment of the first women's university in Mumbai was the result of the efforts of D.K. Karve. The following college was the first to be established: Hindu College, Calcutta. The following is the founder of Kashi Vidyapeeth, Babu Shiv Prasad Gupta. The first madrasa set up by the British in India, Calcutta, who was associated with the foundation of Deccan Educational Society, that is B.G. Tilak. Which University of England was adopted as a pattern with the establishment of universities in India in 1857, that is London. The following social reformers was known for proficiencies in Sanskrit language, that is Dayanand Saraswati, Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar and Rajaram Mohan Roy. The following had primarily implemented the press censorship, that is Wellesley. The following was a supporter of freedom of Indian press, that is Lord Hastings. Now move on to the next chapter, that is establishment of political entity before 1885. First political institution of India was Landholder Society. Founder of Indian Association was Surendra Nath Banerjee, that is S.N. Banerjee. Name the organization formed by Surendra Nath Banerjee which merged with the Indian National Congress in 1866, Indian National Conference. The following was not one of the political institutions established in the earlier phase of Congress, that is Madras Native Association. The following was one of the founders of Bombay Presidency Association in 1885, that is Firoza Mehta. The following were called Bombay Triumvirate, that is Mehta, Telong and Tayyabji. Move on to the next chapter, that is Indian National Congress establishment, function and important conferences. The following never presided a session of Indian National Congress was Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The following sessions of Indian National Congress was presided over by C. Vijay Raghav Chariar, that is Nagpur session 1920. First president of Indian National Congress was W.C. Banerjee या Vyomkesh Chandra Banerjee. In December 1885, first conference of Indian National Congress was held at Bombay. General Secretary of Indian National Congress in year 1885 was A.O. Hume. Indian National Congress was established by A.O. Hume. The following sessions, the Congress elected its first woman president in Calcutta session 1917. First Indian lady president of Indian National Congress, Sarojini Naidu. The following was not present in the founding session of Indian National Congress, Surendranath Banerjee. The president of Indian National Congress continuously for 6 years was Abul Kalam Azad, who had ridiculed Congress as representing only short-sighted minority of the people, Lord Dufferin. Indian National Congress was established during the Governor Generalship of Lord Dufferin. The Governor General during the establishment of Indian National Congress in 1885 was Lord Dufferin. The Congress is tottering to its fall, and one of my great ambitions while in India is to assist it to a peaceful demise. The declaration was made by Curzon. The following presided over Haripura session of Indian National Congress, that is S.C. Bose or Subhash Chandra Bose. Haripura, where the annual session of Indian National Congress under the presidency of Subhash Chandra Bose in 1938 was held, is located in the following state: Gujarat. The president of Indian National Congress after the resignation of Subhash Chandra Bose was Rajendra Prasad. The Haripura session of Indian National Congress 1938 was presided over by Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra elected as President of Indian National Congress, defeating Pattabi Sitaram Ramaiah in Tripuri session 1939. The following session of Indian National Congress, Mahatma Gandhi did not took part, that is Tripuri session 1939. First elected European President of Indian National Congress was George Yule. First Muslim President of Indian National Congress was Badruddin Tayyabji. First Muslim President of Indian National Congress was Badruddin Tayyabji. The following sessions of Indian National Congress, Mahatma Gandhi said, Gandhi may die, but Gandhism will remain forever. Karachi session 1931. The following sessions of Indian National Congress, the word Swaraj was uttered from the Congress platform for the first time. Calcutta session 1906. Last session of Indian National Congress attended by Bal Gangadhar Tilak was Amritsar session 1919. President of Indian National Congress in Banaras session of 1905 was Gopal Krishna Gokhale. In which of its session Indian National Congress rejected the Government of India Act 1935, Lucknow session 1936. The only session of Indian National Congress addressed by Mahatma Gandhi held at Belgaum. The only session of Indian National Congress presided by Mahatma Gandhi was Belgaum session 1924. Who presided over the Meerut session of Indian National Congress organized in 1946? J.B. Kripalani. The following session of Indian National Congress was not presided over by Jawaharlal Nehru. Ramgarh session 1940. For how many times Madan Mohan Malviya became the President of Indian National Congress? 2 times. Swaraj is my birthright, I shall have it. Tilak expressed this statement for the first time in the following session of Indian National Congress, Lucknow 1916. Who said, Swaraj is my birthplace and I shall have it? Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Move on to the next chapter, that is Moderate Period of Indian National Congress 1885 to 1905. The following is stressed on giving self-government to India continuously since 1904. Dadabhai Nauroji. Dadabhai Nauroji was commonly known by the name of Grand Old Man of India. Kings are made for public, public is not made for king. Who made this statement during the national movement? Dadabhai Nauroji. First Indian to be elected in British Parliament was Dadabhai Nauroji, who accused Indian National Congress of practicing politics of prayer, petition and protest. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Who accused Congress for practicing politics of prayer, petition and protest? B.G. Tilak. Who called Indian National Congress a begging institute? Arvindo Ghosh. Ganesha festival in Maharashtra was started by B.G. Tilak. The following transformed the traditional Ganpati festival of Maharashtra in national festival and gave it a political character, that is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Gandhiji considered his political mentor to Gopal Krishna Gokhale. The following was not an extreme nationalist. Gopal Krishna Gokhale, G.K. Gokhale. The following session in Indian National Congress was presided over by Gopal Krishna Gokhale, 1905. Gopal Krishna Gokhale founded Servants of India Society in year 1905. Now move on to the next chapter, that is Partition of Bengal and Swadeshi movement. The Governor General who partitioned Bengal was Curzon. The partition of Bengal occurred on 16 October 1905. The Lieutenant Governor of Bengal at the time of partition of Bengal was Sir Andrew Fraser. Lord Curzon made partition of Bengal in 1905. The partition cancelled in 1911. The first to suggest the boycott of British goods in Bengal was Krishna Kumar Mitra. The following movement is not related with Gandhiji, Swadeshi movement. The following led the agitation against partition of Bengal 1905. Surendranath Banerjee. For which movement Vande Mataram was adopted as slogan for the first time? Partition of Bengal in 1905. The following movement, Vande Mataram, became the theme song of the Indian national movement, Swadeshi movement. Leaders was a supporter of Swadeshi, Arvindo Ghosh. The following led the Swadeshi movement in Delhi, Sir Syed Haider Raja. Who led Swadeshi movement in Madras? Chidambaram Pillai. Partition of Bengal was done mainly to weaken the growth of nationalism in Bengal. The following had told, destruction is the best method of dealing with the foreign clothes. Mahatma Gandhi. The critics of Swadeshi movement and pleaded for a better understanding between East and West was R.N. Tagore, that is Rabindranath Tagore. The British journalist H.W. Davidson was associated with Swadeshi movement. Move on to the next chapter, that is Surat split of Congress. The founder of Hindustan Socialist Democratic Union was Yatindranath Ajay Ghosh Farindranath Ghosh. The following was not associated with the moderates in Indian National Congress, that is Lala Rajpat Rai. The Indian Congress got divided into two wings, moderates and extremists. Surat Session 1907. The president of annual session of Surat of Indian National Congress in 1907 was R.B. Ghosh. The first partition of Indian National Congress in 1907 occurred in Surat session. Move on to the next chapter, that is revolutionary extremist movements. The revolutionary organization Abhinav Bharat Society was founded by Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. In the Kakori conspiracy case, the main accused, Pandit Ram Prasad Bismil, was hanged in which city of Uttar Pradesh? Gorakhpur. The following was not associated with the Kanpur conspiracy case 1924, M.A. Ansari. The following was not an early member of Naujawan Sabha formed in 1926 AD, Ambika Chakravarti. The philosophy of bomb was written by Bhagwati Charan Vora. Damodar Hari Chapekar was hanged on date 18 April 1898. Indian Home Rule Society was founded in 1905. Lathi Club was founded by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The Revolutionary Association Abhinav Bharat was set up in 1904 in Maharashtra. An anti-British organization called Abhinav Bharat was founded by B.D. Savarkar. B.D. Savarkar founded secret organization Abhinav Bharat in 1904. The revolutionary organization Abhinav Bharat was founded in Maharashtra. Mitra Mela Union was started by Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. The secret society founded by V.D. Savarkar was Abhinav Bharat. Abhinav Bharat, a secret organization of revolutionaries, was founded by V.D. Savarkar. Varindra Ghosh was associated to Anushilhan Samiti. Anushilhan Samiti was founded by V.D. Savarkar. In year 1928, Hindustan Socialist Republic Association was established in Delhi. Hindustan Republican Association was founded to organize armed rebellion in India. Hindustan Socialist Republic Association was founded by Chandrasekhar Azad, who changed the name of Hindustan Republic Association founded by Sachin Sanyal to Hindustan Socialist Republic Association. Chandrasekhar Azad. How revolutionary Chandrasekhar Azad was killed by British by bullets in the encounter. Bhagat Singh threw bomb in Central Assembly along with Batukeshwar Dutt. The Independent League was founded by Ras Bihari Bose. The founder of Independent League was Ras Bihari Bose. Slogan Inqilab Jindabad is associated with Bhagat Singh. The slogan of Inqilab Jindabad is associated with Bhagat Singh. Arvindo Ghosh in Alipur bomb case was defended by C.R. Das, under whose chairmanship a committee was formed to defend the accused in Kakori case, Govind Vallabh Pant. The following was the sole revolutionary of Kakori conspiracy case who escaped from arrest by police, Chandrasekhar Azad. Kakori conspiracy case took place in year 1925. The following was government advocate in Kakori conspiracy case, Jagat Narayan Mulla. The sole revolutionary of Kakori conspiracy case who escaped from arrest by the police was Chandrasekhar Azad. The revolutionary associated with Kakori conspiracy who was not hanged was Chandrasekhar Azad. The following was not associated with Kakori conspiracy: Surya Sen. The place where Hindustan Republican Association was founded in 1924 was Kanpur. The following has been called father of Indian unrest: V.G. Tilak. Who is considered as the father of Indian nationalism? Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Who called Bal Gangadhar Tilak the father of Indian unrest? Valentine Sirol. In which of the following prisons Pandit Ram Prasad Bismil was hanged? Gorakhpur. The following revolutionaries refused to drink the given milk on the eve of his execution and said, "Now I shall take my mother's milk only." Ram Prasad Bismil. The following revolutionary who hanged in Gorakhpur jail was Ram Prasad Bismil. The following pair accused for killing British officers in England was hanged: Madan Lal Dhigra and Udham Singh. The first recorded Muslim who was hanged for Indian freedom, Ashfaqullah Khan. The trio Lal Bal Pal became president of Indian National Congress was Lala Rajpat Rai. The following was an extremist: Bipin Chandra Pal. Which female revolutionary fired at the British Governor Chancellor while receiving her degree at the convocation? Veena Das. The following was considered by Lala Rajpat Rai as his political guru: Majni. Jatin Das was arrested in Lahore conspiracy. The freedom fighter who died in jail due to hunger strike was Jatin Das, who said, "Criticism and independent thought are the two characteristics of the revolutionary." Bhagat Singh. The following is considered to be the first Indian to go to jail in performance of his duty as a journalist: Surendranath Banerjee. Move on to the next chapter, that is Muslim League structure and function. MLNG was the private militia of Party All India Muslim League. Annual session of Muslim League in year 1907 was held at Karachi. The All India Muslim League was founded by Nawab Salimullah Khan. The idea of a separate nation for Muslims is given by Sir Muhammad Iqbal. A separate homeland for Muslims found for the first time a definite expression in the presidential speech of Iqbal at the Allahabad session of Muslim League 1930. The following first put forward the proposal for a separate Muslim state in India: Muhammad Iqbal. Who took the chairmanship of Lahore session 1940 of Muslim League? Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Muslim League annual session, which gave effect to Jinnah's two-nation theory, was held in Lahore. Resolution demanding the formation of Pakistan was passed by Muslim League in year 1940. Muslim League celebrate Pakistan Day in 23 March, that is 23rd March 1943. Who has moved a resolution for the creation of Pakistan in Muslim League session of 1940? M.A. Jinnah. The following date was fixed as Direct Action Day by Muslim League, 16th August 1946. On whose call was Muslim Deliverance Day celebrated by Muslim League? Muhammad Ali Jinnah. In the following sessions of Muslim League, M.A. Jinnah put forth his 14-point proposal, 1929. The following presided over all parties Muslim conference held at Delhi on 31st December 1928: Aga Khan. Move on to the next chapter, that is Delhi Darbar and revoke of Bengal partition. The unification of Bengal was completed in the year 1912. The capital of India was transferred from Calcutta to Delhi in year 1911. The transfer of capital of British India from Calcutta to Delhi was effected during the period of Lord Hardinge. Move on to the next chapter, that is Lucknow Pact. The chief architect or reconciliation between extremists and moderates was Annie Besant. The following presided over Lucknow annual session of Indian National Congress held in 1916: A.C. Majumdar. The agreement between Muslim League and Congress in 1916 was made by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The December 1916, both Indian National Congress and Indian Muslim League held their session at Lucknow. The famous Lucknow Pact was signed between Congress and Muslim League in 1916. The following represents period of unanimity between Indian National Congress and Muslim League 1916 to 1922. Move on to the next chapter, that is Home Rule Movement. The knighthood title to the British government in reaction against Jallianwala Bagh massacre was written by Rabindranath Tagore. The following Muslim leaders joined the Home Rule League founded by Annie Besant, Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Annie Besant is mostly associated with Home Rule movement. The Home Rule movement was first launched by Annie Besant. Home Rule League was established by Annie Besant. Home Rule movement was started by Annie Besant. Two Home Rule Leagues were started in 1915 to 16 under the chairman leadership of Tilak and Annie Besant. Bal Gangadhar Tilak given epithet of Lokman in Home Rule movement. The following was not associated with Home Rule movement: C.R. Das. The movement in India which became popular during First World War was the Home Rule movement. Move on to the next chapter, that is start of Gandhian period from South Africa to Rowlatt Satyagraha. Mahatma Gandhi established the Sabarmati Ashram in Ahmedabad in 1917. The following is associated with Champaran Satyagraha of Mahatma Gandhi: Rajkumar Shukla. Which important event immediately preceded Jallianwala Bagh massacre? Enactment of Rowlatt Act. During his stay in South Africa, Mahatma Gandhi published the following newspaper. Its name was Indian Opinion. The magazine published by Mahatma Gandhi during his stay in South Africa was Indian Opinion. After returning from South Africa, Gandhiji launched his first successful satyagraha in Champaran. Mahatma Gandhi started his first satyagraha movement in Champaran. Gandhiji started his first satyagraha against payment of low wages to workers. Those who joined Mahatma Gandhi during the Champaran struggle included Rajendra Prasad and Anugrah Narayan Sinha. Who had opposed the Champaran Satyagraha of Mahatma Gandhi? N.G. Ranga. The following was political guru of Mahatma Gandhi, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. The prefix of Mahatma was added with the name of Gandhiji during Champaran Satyagraha. The following called Gandhiji as Mahatma for the first time: Rabindranath Tagore. Tinkatia system in Champaran meant cultivation of indigo on the 3/20 area of land. Gandhiji's Champaran movement was for solving the problems of indigo workers. The place and farming did the Tinkatia system is associated with Champaran indigo. The following session of Indian National Congress did M.K. Gandhi participate? First, Calcutta session 1901. Following session of Indian National Congress did Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi participated for the first time Calcutta Session 1901, who suggested launching of no tax campaign as a protest against Rowlatt Act. Swami Shraddha Nand. The knighthood title to the British government in reaction against Jallianwala Bagh massacre was written by Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore gave up his knighthood in protest to massacre at Jallianwala Bagh. The person who returned his honor to Indian government on 30th May 1919 was Rabindranath Tagore. The title of Sir in protest against Jallianwala Bagh incident was given by Rabindranath Tagore. During the Indian freedom struggle, a large number of unarmed people gathered at Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar on 13th April 1919 against the arrest of Dr. Saifuddin Kichlu and Dr. Satyapal. The task of drafting Congress Inquiry Committee report on Jallianwala Bagh massacre was entrusted to Mahatma Gandhi. The following killed O. Dyer, responsible for Jallianwala Bagh massacre, Udham Singh. The following had killed General Dyer, responsible for Jallianwala Bagh massacre, Udham Singh, who resigned from the membership of Viceroy's Executive Council as a protest against Jallianwala Bagh massacre, Sir Shankaran Nair. The following were the twin principles of Mahatma Gandhi's Ram Rajya: truth and non-violence. Twin principles of Mahatma Gandhi's Ram Rajya were truth and non-violence. M.K. Gandhi wrote Hind Swaraj in year 1909. The following movements did Mahatma Gandhi make the first use of hunger strike as a weapon. Ahmedabad strike. Ahmedabad Satyagraha was launched by cotton mill workers. Mahatma Gandhi first used his method of hunger strike to achieve a desired goal at Ahmedabad in year 1918. Ahmedabad Satyagraha was launched by cotton mill workers. Which two leaders did the work of social upliftment after visiting India? Gandhi and Tilak. M.K. Gandhi was a supporter of philosophical anarchism. Karamchand Gandhi was Diwan of Rajkot, Porbandar, Bikaner. According to Gandhiji, non-violence is a way to attain truth. The following coined the word Satyagraha: Mahatma Gandhi. The following railway station of South Africa, Mahatma Gandhi was thrown out of the train. Petersburg. Mahatma Gandhi delivered his first public speech in India at Varanasi. The following had commanded Mahatma Gandhi to spend first year in India with his ears open but his mouth shut. Gopalkrishna Gokhale. Gandhiji to be as an observer and student in the country for 1 year before entering in Indian politics was advised by Gopalkrishna Gokhale. The following session of Indian National Congress, Mahatma Gandhi was familiar with the problems of peasants of Champaran, Lucknow session 1916. The person who on 4th April 1919 delivered a speech on Hindu-Muslim unity from the pulpit of Jama Masjid in Delhi was Swami Shraddhanand. According to Gandhiji, the cruelest form of violence is persistence of poverty. The following jails was named as Mandir by Gandhiji, Yerwada. Mahatma Gandhi adopted Seva Dharma at South Africa. Gandhiji launched his mission of freeing bonded labor at Patna. Gandhian innovation means to produce more from less input for more people. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi is best known for use of passive resistance to achieve Indian independence. Gandhi's boycott of British made products was effective because British considered India a major market for manufactured goods. The book Gokhale, My Political Guru was written by M.K. Gandhi. According to M.K. Gandhi, socio-economic improvement of untouchables can be brought about by establishing cottage industry for them. The last step in Gandhian strategy of Satyagraha was strike. The following is not a feature of politics of Gandhian model authority. Whose work have influenced Gandhian concept? Thoreau, Ruskin and Tolstoy. As per Mahatma Gandhi, politics meant activity for public welfare. Now move on to the next chapter, that is communist movement and various parties. Who was not the initial member of Naujawan Sabha formed in 1926? Ambika Chakrabarti. The following trials attracted worldwide publicity and drew sympathetic comments from Albert Einstein, H.G. Wells, Harold Lasky and Roosevelt in favor of the convicts Meerut conspiracy case. The first president of All India Trade Union Congress was Lala Rajpat Rai. First session of All India Trade Union Congress held at Bombay in 1920 was presided over by Lala Rajpat Rai. The following had presided over All India Trade Union Congress held at Nagpur in 1929, Jawaharlal Nehru. The Radical Democratic Party in 1940 was formed by M.N. Roy. The first trade union was founded in India in year 1918 by B.P. Wadia. The name of party founded by Somendranath Tagore was Revolutionary Communist Party. Kanpur conspiracy case was against the leaders of movement Communist Party. Now move on to the next chapter, that is Khilafat movement. In 1918, the United Provinces Kisan Sabha was formed by the leader Indra Narayan Dwivedi. The Congress supported the Khilafat movement mainly for reinstatement of Khalifa. The prominent leaders of Khilafat movement was Maulana Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali, who warned Gandhiji not to encourage fanaticism of Muslim religious leaders and their followers. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. The following had denounced the participation of Mahatma Gandhi in Khilafat movement. M.A. Jinnah, who was elected as president of All India Khilafat Conference in 1919, Mahatma Gandhi. The following Indian leaders did not support Khilafat movement. Madan Mohan Malviya. The following was the result of Khilafat movement. Hindu-Muslim differences were narrowed down. The following had renounced the title of Haji Kul Mulk during Khilafat agitation. Hakim Ajmal Khan. Now move on to the next chapter, that is non-cooperation movement. The following was not a cause for starting the non-cooperation movement. Salt law. With the reforms of 1919 having failed to fulfill the aspirations of the people of India, the Indian National Congress launched an agitation for Swaraj or self-government under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi. It is acceptance of failure. These words are said by Subhash Chandra Bose on the withdrawal of movement's non-cooperation. Chauri Chaura incident took place on 4th February 1922. The actual date of Chauri Chaura incident is 4th February 1992. Chauri Chaura is situated in district Gorakhpur. To attain Swaraj in a year was the aim of non-cooperation movement. When did Gandhiji give the slogan of Swaraj in a year? Non-cooperation movement. Gandhiji withdrew the non-cooperation movement in 1922 due to Chauri Chaura violence. Indian National Congress started non-cooperation movement in year 1920. Non-cooperation resolution in Nagpur session of Indian National Congress in 1920 was moved by C.R. Das. The first mass movement launched by Mahatma Gandhi was non-cooperation movement. The following had taken burning of the foreign clothes as an insensate waste during non-cooperation movement, that is Rabindranath Tagore. The following had opposed the burning of foreign clothes during the non-cooperation movement and called indecipherable waste, that is Rabindranath Tagore. The following supported non-cooperation movement but could not see its result. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Mahatma Gandhi when Chauri Chaura episode took place at Bardoli. Title given by British government to Mahatma Gandhi, which he surrendered during the non-cooperation movement, was Kaisar-e-Hind. Along with Mahatma Gandhi, who among the following Muslims did lift the pair of Bal Gangadhar Tilak, that is Shaukat Ali. The main outcome of 1921 to 22 non-cooperation movement was Hindu-Muslim unity. The following gave up his legal practice during non-cooperation movement: Chittaranjan Das, who tabled a vote of censure against Gandhiji for calling off the non-cooperation movement at the meeting of All India Congress Committee held on February 24, 1922 at Delhi. Dr. Munje. The following had informed Mahatma Gandhi about Chauri Chaura episode by telegram, that is Dasrath Prasad Dwivedi. Move on to the next chapter, that is revolutionary activities abroad. The provincial government of India with Raja Mahendra Pratap as its president was established during First World War in Afghanistan. The republican government abroad was established by Mahendra Pratap. Next, the headquarters of Ghadar Party was based in San Francisco. The leader of Ghadar Party was Lala Hardayal. Ghadar Party was founded in United States of America. What was Kamagata Maru? A naval ship of voyage to Canada. The following was associated with Kamagata Maru episode Baba Gurdeep Singh. India House in London was established by Syamji Kisn Burma. Syamji Kisn Burma established Indian Home Rule Society in London. The General Ghadar of Ghadar Party was weekly journal. The following languages was the first issue of Journal Ghadar published in Urdu. The Journal Ghadar, published by Indian revolutionaries in United States of America, was published in 4 languages. Next is the formation of Swaraj Party. The founder of Swaraj Party was C.R. Das. The following was not associated with Swaraj Party: Rajgopalachari. Motilal Nehru was the leader of Swaraj Party. The following was not in the party: C. Rajgopalachari. The following was not associated with Swaraj Party: Rajendra Prasad. The name of the party formed by Motilal Nehru, C.R. Das in 1923 AD, Swaraj Party. Khilafat Swaraj Party was founded by C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru. Following resigned from the presidency of Congress for making Swaraj Party: C.R. Das. The following is known as Deshbandhu Chittaranjan Das. The political guru of Subhash Chandra Bose was C.R. Das. Swaraj Party in Central Legislative Assembly in pre-independent India was supported by M.A. Jinnah. National leader who was elected President Speaker of Central Legislative Assembly in 1925 was Vittal Bhai Patel. President of Central Legislative Assembly in August 1925 was Vittal Bhai Patel. Move on to the next chapter, that is Simon Commission and Nehru Report. The main reason for boycott of Simon Commission in India was all members were English. The Simon Commission was boycotted in India because it was an all-white British commission. The people of India agitated against the arrival of Simon Commission because there was no Indian member in the Simon Commission. Simon Commission visited India in 1928. The following members of Simon Commission belong to Liberal Party. Sir John Simon. Indians kept out of Simon Commission was suggested by Lord Irwin. The following had demanded first the Dominion status for India: Sir Tej Bahadur Sapru and Jaykar, who said, "The swords that hit me are the last nails to coffin of British rule in India." Lala Rajpat Rai. Lala Rajpat Rai was seriously injured in protest against Simon Commission. The slogan "Simon Go Back" was created by Yusuf Mehrali. The president of all parties conference held in February 1928 was Dr. M.A. Ansari. Move on to the next chapter, that is Congress Lahore Conference and Complete Swaraj 1929. The president of Indian National Congress when resolution of Purna Swaraj was passed by Jawaharlal Nehru. The Lahore Congress session of December 1929 forced on complete independence. Indian flag at midnight of December 31, 1929 was hoisted by Jawaharlal Nehru. The following session of Indian National Congress, Purna Swaraj, was declared the goal of Congress, Lahore 1929. Indian National Congress passed the proposal of complete independence in 1929. The Lahore session of Indian National Congress was held in 1929. The following sessions of Indian National Congress was presided over by Jawaharlal Nehru for the first time. Lahore session 1929. Lahore session of Indian National Congress in 1929 was presided over by Jawaharlal Nehru. Purna Swaraj resolution adopted at Lahore session of the Indian National Congress was moved by Jawaharlal Nehru J.L. Nehru. The following was not included in the resolutions of Lahore session of Indian National Congress in 1929. Abolition of untouchability. Move on to the next chapter, that is Civil Disobedience Movement and Dandi March. The name of foreign journalist who reported about Satyagraha at Dharsana salt work was Webb Miller. Gandhiji stayed with the foreign journalist in his Sabarmati ashram during Dandi March. He was Webb Miller. The following American journalists had covered the Namak Satyagraha of Mahatma Gandhi in 1930 by being there: Webb Miller. The following American was with Mahatma Gandhi during Dandi March: Webb Miller. The historic Dandi March is associated with violation of salt law. After the arrest of Gandhiji during salt satyagraha, who took his place as the leader of the movement? Abbas Tayyabji. When Gandhiji was arrested in salt satyagraha, who took his place as leader of movement? Abbas Tayyabji. The name of movement started by Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan against British was Lal Kurti Red Shirt. The leader of Red Shirt party was Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Red Shirt organization was founded to throw out the British. The soldiers of Garhwal regiment refused to fire on the revolutionaries in civil disobedience movement. Mahatma Gandhi, when a raid was made by Congress volunteers on Dharsana salt depot in Irwada jail, Acharya Vinoba Bhave was arrested for the first time for taking part in civil disobedience movement. The statement, "I want word sympathy in this battle of right against might," is associated with Gandhiji's Dandi March. Date 6 April 1930 is known in Indian history for Dandi March of Mahatma Gandhi. The following provinces had highest number of satyagrahis in Mahatma Gandhi's Dandi March. Gujarat. Mahatma Gandhi started Dandi March by statement, "Fight unto the last." Move on to the next chapter, that is Gandhi-Irwin Pact, Karachi Session and Round Table Conference. The name of Indian leaders participated in all three Round Table Conference, that is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The following Round Table Conference, the representative of Indian National Congress participated for the first time. Second Round Table Conference. Name of Indian who participated in all three roundtable conference was B.R. Ambedkar. Roundtable conference was held in 1932 at 3rd. Gandhi-Irwin Pact took place in 1931. Among the following whose adjournment was proposed in Gandhi-Irwin Pact: Civil Disobedience Movement. Mahatma Gandhi, when visited London to participate in second roundtable conference, stayed at Kingsley Hall. Mahatma Gandhi left Bombay for London to participate in second roundtable conference as Congress representative in ship known as SS Rajputana. The following roundtable conference was represented by Indian National Congress second roundtable conference. The following leaders did not participate in second roundtable conference: Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The Karachi session of Indian National Congress 1931, as the pinnacle of Mahatma Gandhi's popularity and prestige, was regarded by S.C. Bose. The following sessions of Indian National Congress, Mahatma Gandhi had said, "Gandhi may die, but Gandhism will remain forever." Karachi session 1931. The following presided over the Karachi session of Indian National Congress: Vallabhbhai Patel. First roundtable conference of Indian leaders summoned in London by British government at 1930. The following took Mahatma Gandhi's gain in Gandhi-Irwin Pact as consolation prizes: Alan Campbell. The following persons called Irwin and Gandhi the two Mahatmas: Sarojini Naidu. Indian Christians in first roundtable conference held in London was represented by K.T. Paul. The main purpose of Gandhi-Irwin Pact was to make the participation of Congress easier in roundtable conference. The following roundtable conference was attended by Gandhiji only second. Move on to the next chapter, that is Communal Award and Pune Pact. Who was directly associated to the Pune Pact of 1932? Indian depressed class. The Prime Minister of England during the declaration of Communal Award was Ramsay MacDonald. The Pune Pact was concerned with depressed classes, which were not allocated separate electorate and reserved seats by Communal Award of MacDonald. Buddhist. The following was directly related to Pune Pact of 1932, Indian depressed classes. Pune Pact was signed between Gandhiji and Ambedkar. Second signatory of Pune Pact with Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was Madan Mohan Malviya. The following did not sign on historical Pune Pact: M.K. Gandhi. The following got implemented after announcement of Communal Award: Pune Pact. Operation Rubicon was the code word proposed to be adopted by British government in India with reference to Gandhi's fast unto death in jail. After Pune Pact of 1932, Harijan Sevak Sangh was established. Its president was Ghanshyam Das Birla. Who of the following said, "Mahatma Gandhi, like fleeting phantom, raises dust but not the label"? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Move on to the next chapter, that is Congress Socialist Party. The convener of All India Congress Socialist Party at Patna in 1934 was Jayaprakash Narayan. Congress Socialist Party was organized in 1934 by Jayaprakash Narayan and Acharya Narendra Dev. High priest of communism in India had been described by Jawaharlal Nehru. The first president of All India Socialist Youth Congress was Jawaharlal Nehru. Move on to the next chapter, that is provincial elections and formation of cabinet. In provincial elections of 1937, Congress got majority in 5 out of 11 provinces, and in following states it just short by few seats: Mumbai, In how many provinces was the Congress ministry formed in the election of the year 1937? 6. The province where Indian National Congress could not get absolute majority during the general election of 1937, Bengal. In the following province, Indian National Congress had not obtained a full majority in provincial legislature elections held in 1937, Punjab. After formation of ministries in the province in 1937, Congress rule lasted for 28 months. The tenure of Congress ministries formed in elections of 1937 after the Act of 1935 was 28 months. The following was entrusted with finance portfolio in ministry formed in UP after the election of 1937, Rafi Ahmed Kidwai. Move on to the next chapter, that is Tripuri Convention of Congress and formation of Forward Bloc. Subhash Chandra Bose defeated Pattabi Sitaram Ramaiah and became President of Indian National Congress at Tripuri session 1939. The following session of Indian National Congress, Subhash Chandra Bose was elected as President for the second time, Tripuri session. S.C. Bose founded Forward Bloc in 1939. Who became the President of Indian National Congress after the resignation of Subhash Chandra Bose? Rajendra Prasad. Move on to the next chapter, that is conflicts among princely states. The following native states was a party to the Stand Still Agreement. Hyderabad. The following session, Congress declared its policy towards Indian states for first time. Nagpur session. The following is outlined for the non-conventional policy regarding the native states of India. Sir John Soule. Move on to the next chapter, that is Second World War and National Movement, August Proposal, Demand of Pakistan and Individual Satyagraha. The following woman freedom fighter was not associated with Quit India movement. Shanti Ghosh. In the individual Satyagraha, Vinoba Bhave was chosen as the first Satyagrahi. The second was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. First Satyagrahi in individual Satyagraha movement by Mahatma Gandhi was Vinoba Bhave. The Bhudan movement was first started in Andhra Pradesh. The Bhudan movement was first started in Andhra Pradesh. The policy of Indian National Congress during Second World War was cooperation of British in case of assurance of complete independence. The following came to India after Second World War in 1946 Cabinet Mission. August offer 8th August 1940 promising Dominion status was made by Lithgow. Move on to the next chapter, that is Cripps Mission and Quit India Movement. The name of the female regiment constituted as part of Azad Hind Fauj by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was Rani Jhansi Regiment. The following made a regular broadcast on Congress radio operated during Quit India Movement. Usha Mehta. The following ran Congress radio during the Quit India Movement. Usha Mehta. During the freedom struggle, Aruna Asaf Ali was a major woman organizer of underground activities in Quit India Movement. The Commander-in-Chief of Indian Army during Quit India Movement was Lord Bebel. Do or Die slogan was given in Quit India Movement. Parallel government was established during Quit India Movement in district Balia. Jatiya Sarkar was formed in Midnapur district of Bengal in year 1942. The following had supported Quit India Resolution of 1942. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Quit India Resolution was moved in Bombay session of Congress in year 1942 by Jawaharlal Nehru. The Congress launched Quit India Movement on 8th August 1942 at Bombay. Quit India Movement started in August 1942. The statement "We shall either free India or die in attempt" is associated with Quit India Movement. The mantra of Do or Die is given by Mahatma Gandhi, who said freedom is almost within reach. We have to seize it. Mahatma Gandhi. At the time when Indian National Congress passed Quit India Resolution, its president was Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. The president of Indian National Congress when it passed the Quit India resolution was Abul Kalam Azad. Mahatma Gandhi arrested in connection with Quit India movement at Bombay. The following leaders escaped from prison and organized underground activities during Quit India movement. Jayaprakash Narayan. There is going to be a revolution here in India and we must get out quick. Who said it? Sir Stafford Cripps. The name of American journalist who with Mahatma Gandhi during Quit India movement, Louis Fisher. Louis Fisher, the biographer of Mahatma Gandhi, was associated with the movement of Quit India movement. The following movements women's participation is considered to be the highest. Quit India movement. The following parties did not support Quit India movement, that is Hindu Mahasabha, the Communist Party of India, the Unionist Party of Punjab. Move on to the next chapter, that is Azad Hind Fauj, Indian National Army. The trial of officers of INA was held in Red Fort, Delhi. Subhash Chandra Bose established Government of Free India at Singapore on 21st October 1943. Subhash Chandra Bose made declaration of formation of interim government of Free India on 21st October 1943. Gandhiji, as the father of the nation, for the first time was addressed by Subhash Chandra Bose, who called Mahatma Gandhi father of nation first. Subhash Chandra Bose. Indian National Army INA founded in year 1942. The idea of Indian National Army was suggested by Mohan Singh. The following has pleaded on the side of Indian National Army officers in their Red Fort trial. Sir T.B. Sapru. The following had not advocated in INA Red Fort trial in 1945. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The following has pleaded on the side of Indian National Army officers in the Red Fort trial. Sir T.B. Sapru. Azad Hind Day. Azad Hind Day was observed on 12th November 1945. The following persons was not associated to Azad Hind Fauj. Major Kartar Singh. Rani Lakshmibai Regiment was established by Subhash Chandra Bose. The following called Subhash Chandra Bose as Desh Nayak Rabindranath Tagore. The slogan तुम मुझे खून दो मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा is given by Subhash Chandra Bose. Which soldier of Azad Hind Fauj was sentenced to 7 years imprisonment? Rashid Ali. The following was not associated with Indian National Army INA. V.C. Dutt. Which Indian revolutionary helped Subhash Chandra Bose in establishment of Azad Hind Fauj? Raj Bihari Bose. India's salvation will not be achieved under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi was written by Subhash Chandra Bose. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was born in the city of Cuttack. Move on to the next chapter, that is Cabinet Mission Plan, Constituent Assembly and Constitution of Interim Government. The first interim national government was announced on 24th August 1946. CR formula to remove the political deadlock between Muslim League and Indian National Congress was prepared by Rajgopalachari. The following was not a member of Cabinet Mission. Lord Emery. The Cabinet Mission of 1946 was led by Sir Patrick Lawrence. The following was not the member of Interim National Government formed in August 1946 AD. Sir S. Radha Krishnan. The following was not a member of interim government. B.R. Ambedkar. The following was not a member minister in interim government formed on September 2, 1946. Abul Kalam Azad. Interim government formed under Jawaharlal Nehru in September 1946. In the interim government 1946, who led the railways portfolio? Asaf Ali. The following was the finance minister in Nehru's interim government in 1946. Liaquat Ali Khan. Idea of a constituent assembly to frame a constitution for independent India was first mooted by Congress Party in 1936. The president of Indian National Congress when Cabinet Mission arrived in India was Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Under the Cabinet Mission scheme, how many populations were in the proportion to the number of allocated members in the constituent constitution forming council to determine the allotment of members, 10 lakh people. The Constituent Assembly that framed India's constitution was set up under Cabinet Mission Plan. President of Drafting Committee of Indian Constitution was B.R. Ambedkar. The following leaders of Congress was totally in favor of Cabinet Mission Plan. Mahatma Gandhi. The following had declared in 1939 that only way out to justiciably solve the communal and other problems in India is Constituent Assembly. Mahatma Gandhi. Move on to the next chapter, that is Mountbatten Plan, Partition and Independence of India. My ultimate aim is to wipe every tear from every eye is the slogan of person Jawaharlal Nehru. In August 1947, who of the following leaders did not participate anywhere in Independence Day celebrations? Mahatma Gandhi. The president of Indian National Congress when India got independence was J.B. Kripalani. The president of Indian National Congress at the time of partition of India was Acharya J.B. Kripalani. The following took the passing of resolution on partition in meeting of the Congress Committee 1947 as a surrender of nationalism in favor of communism. That is Dr. Kichlu. The following had seconded the resolution on partition in the meeting of All India Congress Committee held in New Delhi in 1947. Abul Kalam Azad. The Indian Independence Bill received royal assent on 18th July 1947. The Mountbatten Plan became the basis for partition of the country. The following voted against partition of India in the meeting of All India Congress held on 14th June 1947. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. First Prime Minister of India was appointed by Governor General. Formula for transfer of sovereignty to India in 1947 was known as Mountbatten Plan, which plan became basis of India's independence. Mountbatten Plan. The British government is not responsible for the partition of India. The above statement is attributed to Lord Attlee. The following parties was in power in UK when India got independence. Labour Party. Mahatma Gandhi when Clement Attlee announced transfer of power in House of Commons at New Delhi. Who headed the Boundary Commission appointed in 1947 in contest of India's partition? Radcliffe. Move on to the next chapter, that is Constitutional Development of India. The founder of Satyasodha Samaj, having its primary emphasis on seeking of truth, was Jyotiba Phule. The Regulating Act was passed in 1773. Supreme Court was established in Calcutta by Act Regulating Act. The following acts for the first time provision was made for the post of Governor General of Bengal. Regulating Act 1773. Board of Control came into existence by Act of Pitt's India Act 1784. Monopoly of East India Company in India's trade was abolished in 1833. The following is one of the reasons for considering Charter Act 1813 important for India. It made financial allocation for education of Indian people. Diarchy system in India was introduced by Montfort reforms. The British Parliament abolished East India Company's monopoly over trade in India by Act of Charter Act 1813, that is 1813. The India Council abolished by Act of Government of India Act 1935. The following said about Act of 1935, a car which has brake but no engine. Jawaharlal Nehru. The following had called the Government of India Act 1935 a charter of slavery. Jawaharlal Nehru. The first time made it possible for Indians to take some share in the administration of their country by the Act of Charter Act 1833. Public Service Commission in India was established by Act of Government of India Act 1919. The following had recommended to conduct civil service examinations simultaneously in India and England. Montagu-Chelmsford Report. The following acts transferred the power to Government of India from East India Company to Crown. Government of India Act 1858. Queen Victoria Proclamation was read out by Lord Canning on 1st November 1858 at Allahabad. During the period of national movement, the incidents which sowed the seeds of difference and ultimately partitioned the country was reservation of separate electorate areas and places for Muslims in the legislative assemblies. Indian Council Act 1909 introduced the system of communal representative. Parliamentary Reform Bill was passed in 1909. The system of indirect election was introduced in India in year 1892. The British for the first time introduced the system of indirect elections of India by the Act of 1892. The first time created a functioning legislature council in India by Act of Charter Act of 1853. Move on to the next chapter, that is important institutions and their founders in modern India. Asiatic Society in Calcutta was established in 1784. Founder of Asiatic Society of Bengal was Sir William Jones. Asiatic Society in Calcutta in 1784 was founded by William Jones. The Governor General of Bengal during the foundation of Asiatic Society in Calcutta was Lord Warren Hastings. Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh was established at Nagpur. Indian Home Rule Society in London was started by Shyamji Krishna Burma. Servants of Indian Society was founded by Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Founder of Dev Samaj was Shiv Narayan Agnihotri. The success of Theosophical Society in India was mainly due to Annie Besant. The founder of Independent Labour Party was B.R. Ambedkar. All India Harijan Sevak Sangh in 1932 was founded by M.K. Gandhi. The founder of President of Harijan Sevak Sangh was G.D. Birla. The first president of All India Anti-Untouchability League, later changed to Harijan Sevak Sangh, was G.D. Birla. The early name of Harijan Sevak Sangh was All India Anti-Untouchability League. India Independence League was founded by Ras Bihari Bose. Darul Uloom was established by Maulana Sibli Numani. Yugantar Party was led by Jatindranath Mukherjee. Move on to the next chapter, that is governors, governor generals and viceroys of India. Dual government of Bengal was abolished by Warren Hastings. Ilbert Bill disputes occurred in the time of which of the following British Viceroy in India? Lord Ripon. During the tenure of which Governor General was the Ancient Monument Preservation Act passed? Lord Curzon. During the Sepoy Mutiny in 1857, who was the Viceroy of India? Lord Canning. Viceroy Lord Curzon during his tenure called Mr. Thomas Robertson to India in the contest of railway reforms. The following Governor General ridiculed Congress as representing only a microscopic minority of people, that is Lord Dufferin. Indian public service was enforced during the period of Cornwallis. On the basis of alleged maladministration, which Governor General had taken the administration of Mysore? Lord William Bentinck. When Lord Mountbatten became first Governor General of India, who among the following became the Governor General for Pakistan? M.A. Jinnah. First census in India during the British period was held during the tenure of Lord Mayo, who was responsible for encouraging the local self-government in India. Lord Ripon. Local self-government institutions in India were strengthened in 1882 by Lord Ripon. First Governor General of independent India was Lord Mountbatten. Only Indian Governor General was C. Rajagopalachari. The following was impeached in British Parliament: Warren Hastings. Which viceroy was murdered by a convicted criminal when he was on a walk at Andaman and Nicobar Island? Lord Mayo. The following Viceroy of India was murdered by a convicted criminal when he was on a walk at Andaman and Nicobar Island? Lord Mayo. Following was related to policy of masterly inactivity? Lord Lawrence. Governor General who annexed Sindh in British India was Lord Ellenborough. British annexed Sindh in 1843. Annexation of Sindh completed during the period of Lord Ellenborough. Archaeological Survey of India was established in period of Lord Curzon. The administration of Curzon in India with Aurangzeb was compared by G.K. Gokhale. The tomb of Lord Cornwallis is situated at Ghazipur. Anglo-Nepal War took place during the reign of Lord Hastings. The following has been called as heaven-born General Robert Clive. The following is the author of book The Problems of the Far East, Curzon. The following freed Indian newspaper from strict control, Charles Metcalfe. The following Governor Generals had abolished slavery in India, Lord Ellenborough. Public Works Department in India was established by Lord Dalhousie, who addressed Gandhiji as one-man boundary force, Mountbatten. The longest tenure as Viceroy of India was Lord Curzon. The only Jewish Viceroy of India was Lord Reading. The one at whose state entry into Delhi a bomb was thrown, Lord Harding. Move on to the next chapter, that is various newspapers and magazines, books and their authors, editors. The book Poverty and Un-British Rule in India was published in year 1901 AD. The name of poet who wrote the popular poem Firangiya in Bhojpuri against British colonialism was Manoranjan. The following work were not authored by B.R. Ambedkar. Paradise Found. The following editors of newspaper was barred from attending any Congress sessions by Dadabhai Nauroji for writing in favor of Chapekar brothers. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Vithal Vidwansak, the first monthly journal to have untouchable people as its target audience, was published by Gopal Baba Valankar. The famous and favorite hymn sung by Gandhiji, Vaisnava Jana to Teen Kahiye, was composed by Narsingh Mehta, who lived in 15th century. The following newspaper magazine Mahatma Gandhi was not associated. Yugantar. Young India was started as weekly by Home Rule Party. The following language, the Indian Opinion, was not published in Urdu. Kissa Radha Kanhaiya, authored by Nawab Wali Shah. Indian War of Independence 1857 is written by V.D. Savarkar. India Wins Freedom is an autobiography of Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. The author of book India Wins Freedom is A.K. Azad. The first socialist weekly in Bengal, Socialist, was started by S.A. Dange. The following is the biographer of Jawaharlal Nehru, Frank Morris. The first Hindi newspaper, Udant Martand, 30th May 1826, was published from Kolkata. English paper Independent was related to Motilal Nehru. The book Springing Tiger is biography of Subhash Chandra Bose. The famous book Indian Struggle was written by Subhash Chandra Bose. The book Indian Struggle, based on Indian national movement, was written by Subhash Chandra Bose. The paper Commonweal was associated with Annie Besant. The paper Qaumi Azad was launched by Jawaharlal Nehru. The official historian of India's struggle for independence was S.N. Sen. The popular magazines of revolutionary period criticized the Congress for various reasons. His Kal novel Anand Math is based on the story of Sannyasi rebellion. The script of the famous novel Bankim Chandra Chatterjee Anand Math is based on Sannyasi rebellion. The following books is associated with rise of national movement in India, Anand Math. The following books were Paradigm of Sannyasi rebellion, Anand Math. The following was the editor of revolutionary paper Vande Mataram, Bhikaji Kama. Marathi fortnightly Bahishkrit Bharat was started by B.R. Ambedkar. Bahishkrit Bharat was started by Bhimrao Ambedkar. Writer of Annihilation of Caste is B.R. Ambedkar. The following prisons did Jawaharlal Nehru wrote his famous book Discovery of India, Ahmedabad Fort Jail. Hind Swaraj was written by Mahatma Gandhi in Gujarat. Gujarati language. Mahatma Gandhi called British Parliament as sterile and prostitute in books Hind Swaraj. Following journalist is biographer of Mahatma Gandhi, Louis Fisher. Biographer of Mahatma Gandhi, Louis Fisher was American journalist. Author of Hind Swaraj is Mahatma Gandhi. The following related himself to English weekly Vande Mataram, Arvindo Ghosh. The Arvindo Ghosh authored The Life Divine. The editor of the Hindu Patriot, which firmly supported the Neel movement, was Harish Chandra Mukherjee. The first newspaper published by Indians in English language was Hindu Patriot. The author of play Neel Darpan was Deenbandhu Mitra. Persian weekly Miratul Akhbar was published by Raja Ram Mohan Roy. The author of Gulamgiri was Jyotiba Phule. Indian Society of Oriental Art was founded by Avindra Nath Tagore. The following famous reformers wrote the book Jana Yoga, Karma Yoga and Raja Yoga. Swami Vivekanand. The first newspaper published in India was Bengal Gazette. The report Journey Through the Kingdom of Awadh in year 1849 to 50 was written by W.H. Sleeman. The author of book The Man Who Divided India was Rafiq Zakaria. The editor of Swadesh Vahani was K. Ramakrishna Pillai. The following wrote about homeland of Aryans, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The memoir entitled Bapu My Mother was written by Manu Behan. The pamphlet entitled Why I Am a Theist was written by Bhagat Singh. The book India's Struggle for Independence was authored by Bipin Chandra. The book Mountbatten and Partition of India was written by Larry Collins and Dominique Lapierre. The author of book Bandi Jeevan Sachindranath Sanyal. The book Mother India was written by Catherine Mayo. The famous song सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा was written by Sir Muhammad Iqbal. The writer of Indian national movement, the long-term dynamics is Bipin Chandra, which Urdu newspaper was started by Lala Rajpat Rai in 1920 from Lahore. Vande Mataram. The following was conferred with honor of national poet for contributing to the freedom struggle by his literary work Maithili Saran Gupta. The following revolutionaries wrote an article and introduction to the Dreamland. Bhagat Singh. The following is the biographer of Mahatma Gandhi, V.R. Nanda. The editor of Indian Mirror started in early stages of struggle against British rule was S.N. Sen. The paper Indian Mirror was published during 1880 from Calcutta. The famous Urdu weekly Al Hilal was started in year 1912. Move on to the next chapter, that is miscellaneous, and the last section. The Deepavali Declaration issued in year 1929 was related to dominion status. Anglo-Afghan relations in 19th century was influenced by the fear of expansion towards India of Russia. The author of book Death in Banaras is Jonathan Parry. In the second half of 18th century, who was often called the local representative of aura and authority of Company Bahadur Daroga. Total percentage of central revenue spent on military force in British India was 40%. The following was associated as secretary with Hindu female school, which later came to known as Bethune Female School, Iswachand Vidyasagar. In 1885, finance member of Government of India was Anthony P. MacDonald. Punjab Land Alienation Act passed in 1900. Rabindranath Tagore, Jan Gan Man, first sung in 27 December 1911. The following works were not authored by V.G. Tilak. Paradise Found. The following played an important role in drafting the Indian Independence Act 1947. B.R. Ambedkar. Founder of Pondicherry was Francois Martin, who of the following was sent as representative of laborers by Indian government in Washington Summit of ILO in year 1919. B.P. Wadia. I did not think that one could be loyal to the British Raj and yet serve India honestly, heart and soul. This statement was made in April 1921 by Subhash Chandra Bose. Planned development in India was opposed by Mahatma Gandhi. The following events occurred last partition of Bengal. British government finally agreed to hold the Indian Civil Services ICS examinations simultaneously in India and England in year 1922. In 19th century, the fear of extension towards India, of which country was the basis of Anglo-Afghan relations, Russia. In Indian context, attitude of paternalism in governance is generally associated with Thomas Munro. The following was offered membership of the Royal Asiatic Society of Paris, Michael Madhusudan Dutt. The winding up of the Indian National Congress after India attained independence was suggested by Mahatma Gandhi. After the sentence, B.G. Tilak, who among the following had pleaded for mercy and said, "My interest in Tilak is that of a Sanskrit scholar," Max Muller. The following was discovered by Nehru but not by Gandhi. Heavy industrialization. Author of Jhanda Geet, flag song was Shyam Lal Gupta or Parsad. The great poet Rabindranath Tagore emerged as a great painter at the age of 70 years. Even after merger of other kingdoms in India, with 3 states delayed joining India: Junagadh, Hyderabad, Jammu Kashmir. First Indian to go to jail while discharging the duty of journalist was Surendranath Banerjee. Nehru is a patriot, while Jinnah is politician. The statement belongs to Muhammad Iqbal. The statement Nehru is patriot while Jinnah is politician was made by Muhammad Iqbal. The Indian foreign policy of non-alignment was initiated by Jawaharlal Nehru. Bhagat Singh's memorial is situated at Firozpur. Samadhis of Kasturba and Mahadev Desai are situated in the premises of Aga Khan Palace, Pune. Samadhi of Kasturba Gandhi is situated in the premises of Aga Khan Palace, Pune. The following termed Gandhiji's movement political ransom: Lord Linlithgow. The following had called Muhammad Ali Jinnah as ambassador of Hindu-Muslim unity: Sarojini Naidu. The following termed Muhammad Ali Jinnah an ambassador of Hindu-Muslim unity: Sarojini Naidu. It was withdrawal of support by Congress which was responsible for the resignation of Chandrasekhar Charan Singh H.D. Devgowda. The following said the most important achievement of British rule was the integration of India: K.M. Panikkar. Operation Polo is related to military action in Hyderabad state. The following famines has been termed as Sea of Calamity in the 19th century in India: Odisha famine 1866 to 67. The following had called Rabindranath Tagore as the great sentinel, that is Mahatma Gandhi. The year of Bengal famine in which millions of people died is 1943. Who said, "Imperialism is dead as dodo"? Clement Attlee. The following ladies were the first to unfurl the Indian tricolor: Bhikaji Cama. Rabindranath Tagore was awarded Nobel Prize in year 1913. The president of All India Trade Union Congress in 1929 was Jawaharlal Nehru, who prepared CR formula to remove the political deadlock between Muslim League and Indian National Congress: Rajgopalachari. The following sessions of Indian National Congress, Jawaharlal Nehru spoke socialism as the key to solution of India's problems: Lucknow. The statement, "I am a socialist and a republican and I am no believer of kings and princes," is associated with Jawaharlal Nehru. The following said that the real revolutionary armies are in villages and factories: Bhagat Singh. The following 3 states refused to become the part of Chamber of Princes: Hyderabad, Junagadh and Kashmir. Now, modern history is completed. In the next session, we will discuss the Indian polity. Thanks for watching the video.